What to do if your Android device won't download or install applications. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're trying to download some of the applications but it is not downloading on your Android, there are two solutions that you can try on. To get started with the step 1, open Settings on your device. Scroll down on the list to find the apps. After that, tap on See All Apps or App List. Once you tap on it, scroll down until you find Google Play Store. Once you tap on Google Play Store, it will take you to another page. From here, you have to tap on Storage and Cache and clear the cache. Now go back to the previous page of the app list, and from there, now you have to search for Google Play Services. Follow the same step, that is, go to the Storage and Cache and clear the cache. Once this is done, your problem should be solved. However, if it does not, move to method 2. For this, you need to allow the permissions. Go to apps again, and this time from the app list, go and select on Google Play Store. Once you open Google Play Store, you have to now click on Permissions tab. From here, make sure that the permission is given to contact list and the phone number. Just tap on it and click on Allow to allow it. Location can, however, be optional. So after this, restart your computer and try to install the application again, and it should probably work. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.